Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to write book or ebook with ChatGPT. Let's get started. Step 1. Generate an outline. Type, give me a chapter outline for a self-help book about building confidence. ChatGPT gives you a full breakdown, intro, chapters, and conclusions. Then, expand each chapter. Next prompt, write Chapter 1 based on the outline, make it motivational, and include a real-life example. You'll get a strong first draft to work with. Then you can edit and style. Ask, rewrite this in a casual tone or make this suitable for young adults. It adapts to your style or audience. And you can also request formatting or suggest titles and meta descriptions. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.